Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, we had a lecture about adverb and its different kinds. Here we have got an exercise in which different adverbs are used and there are errors in the use of different adverbs. Let's try to identify the errors of adverbs in these sentences. The first sentence is he is too strong. The adverb to gives negative sense, while the adverb very gives positive sense. He is very strong carries proper sense or meaning in this sentence. The adverb very carries proper meaning in this sentence. So the correct sentence is he is very strong. It is a much interesting book. Often very adverb is used before a present participle. So the correct sentence is it is a very interesting book. I am very surprised at this. Surprised is past participle. The adverb much is often used with a past participle form. So the correct sentence is I am much surprised at this. The fourth sentence is I am very obliged to him. Obliged is past participle form and much is used with a past participle form of verb. I am much obliged to him. The fifth sentence is I am much pleased with it. The past participle pleased is an exception. Very is often used with this exceptional case of past participle form. So the correct sentence is I am very pleased with it. The water is very hot to drink. Remember that very carries positive sense while to carries negative sense. The sentence follows negative sense, so to adverb would carry proper meaning in this sentence. The water is too hot to drink is the correct sentence. Walking is quite useful for health. Remember that do try to understand the meanings of words or parts of speech used in sentences. Walking cannot be quite useful. So the adverb very here carries proper meaning. Walking is very useful for health. Walking is very useful for health indeed. However, it cannot be quite useful for health. I work hardly on Sunday. Hardly is adverb used in this sentence. Adverb is placed before the verb it modifies. Very often, adverb is placed before the verb it modifies. I hardly work on Sunday. And next sentence is also of the same nature. He comes here seldom. He seldom comes here is the correct sentence. Seldom is adverb and it should be placed before the verb it modifies. He seldom comes here is the correct sentence. The 10th sentence is he behaved cowardly and 11th is he treated me miserly. Remember that both these incorrect sentences are given here because a larger number of adverbs end in ly. There are many adverbs which are exceptions. If you remember our previous lecture about adverb, you might recall the point that a larger number of adverbs end in ly. There are exceptions as well. Both these words, cowardly and miserly, end in ly. However, they are not adverbs. Both of them are adjectives. He behaved like a coward. If we make use of the noun phrase coward, we can correct this sentence this way: he behaved like a coward. And in 11th sentence, he treated me like a miser. The 12th sentence is he died 2 months before. Before indicates a relation between two events or two happenings, or it indicates a relation between two times. The adverb ago indicates past indefinite tense. So the correct sentence is he died 2 months ago. Ago indicates past indefinite tense, and before indicates a relation between two events or the time of their happenings. Do you know how to swim? Do you know to swim? Well, very often when we try to express some skill, we make use of the adverb how to modify the verb, which expresses some skill. Do you know how to swim is the correct sentence. Do you know how to write? Do you know how to deliver a speech? Do you know how to read? Well, how adverb is used before a verb which expresses some skill, how modifies it. I don't know the reason why he dislikes me. This is incorrect sentence. Well, the correct sentence is I don't know why he dislikes me, because the use of adverb why here itself has meaning or sense of the noun phrase reason. So the use of noun phrase reason is unnecessary before the adverb why. So the correct sentence is I don't know why he dislikes me. Thank you. It was exercise related with the use of adverbs. These were all incorrect sentence and we try to correct them. If there are any questions, you are most welcome. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Inshallah soon we will come up with our next assignment. Allah Hafiz.